Hello guys, ang lutuin ko po ngayon ay isang fish curry. Naka-fried na po siya para mabilis na lang po. Ang ingredients ko pong hinahanda ay tomato, onion, this is coriander powder, garlic paste, and ginger paste also, mustard seed, cumin seed, this one is cumin powder, this one is chili powder, and this one is blend na po siya ng tomato and onion, and this one also is tamarind water. This one is fish curry kasi gusto ko po siyang lagyan ng okra and eggplant. Okay, we start guys. Put the onion, nilagay ko na rin po yung tomato. Hintayin lang po natin maluto yung tomato. Ayan, luto na po yung tomato natin. Nilagay ko na po yung ginger and garlic paste, the coriander powder, chili powder, this one is cumin, at yung ating fish curry powder, layan lang po natin ito. Tapos yung ating blend na tomato and onion. Then, ilagay na natin yung ating fried fish.